Northwest Indiana had another busy summer weekend with Ideas in Motion Media there to bring it all to you. The weekend kicked off on Friday when the Portage Chamber of Commerce hosted their annual Grill and Chill. On Saturday, kids sprang into action swimming, biking, and racing to the finish line at the Valpo Junior Triathlon. That same morning, another group of heroes was honored at the Portage Fire Department Promotions and Awards Ceremony. The firefighters stood proudly as they were handed out their well-earned awards. Later on Saturday, Michigan City greeted the 12-hour-long Southern Shore Music Festival, with music featured from Northwest Indiana and Chicago. On Saturday afternoon, the Valparaiso Wine Fest took place at Central Park Plaza. 750 guests tried over 120 different wines at this charitable event. To close out the weekend on Sunday, Michigan City High School celebrated its 18th commencement ceremony. Family and friends watched the 2013 graduates walk across the stage to their diplomas and their future. Another great summer weekend in Northwest Indiana came and went, and Ideas in Motion Media was there to bring it all to you.